Hi, welcome to the Star City Storytime, brought to you by the Morgantown Public Library System. I'm Miss Sharon, and I'm going to read a very cool book today called Waiting for Wings, and it's by Lois Ehlert, and it's from Harcourt Publishing. Okay, let's see what happens. All right, out in the fields, eggs are hidden from view, clinging to leaves with butterfly glue. Soon caterpillars hatch, they creep and they chew. Each one knows what it must do. Find a place where winds don't blow, then make a case in which to grow. Caterpillar changes now begin. Body and wings take shape within, and you can start to see that there. When it's time, each case is torn, wings unfold, new butterflies are born. Wow. They pump their wings and get ready to fly. Then hungry butterflies head for the sky, looking for flowers with nectar to eat. They catch a whiff of something sweet. They follow that fragrant scent of perfume until they find our garden in bloom. We've been waiting for wings, waiting for the butterflies. We watch them circle, land on their feet, unroll their tongues, and begin to eat. See, its tongue is down in the flower there. They dip and sip, then fly away, back home to the fields. They have eggs to lay. So it's going to start all over again, isn't it? Okay. This page shows some beautiful butterflies. Okay, here's a buckeye, and here's a painted lady. This one's a monarch, and this one's a tiger swallowtail. Now, look at the caterpillar and look at the butterfly. They look nothing alike, do they? Now, this one, the monarch caterpillar, looks a little bit more like the butterfly. Okay. And then this tells you some butterfly information in case you're interested in learning more. And here's flowers that were featured in the book. And then this is about growing a butterfly garden. So if you're interested in butterflies, this is a great book to get. Okay, if you stop by the library to pick up your activity packet, I'd like to show you what's in it. You'll find a white sheet of paper, and you will find a flower and a butterfly, and they're all different colors. And what I did with mine is I glued the flower on, and then I glued the butterfly on, but only where the body is, so the wings would stand up, okay? And then I added grass and a flower and a sunshine. So you might want to do something similar to that, okay? Another thing we're going to make is a stand-up, and we've made these before, and they do stand up like on a dresser or a nightstand or desk. And what you'll find in your packet is either a caterpillar or a butterfly, 2 flowers, and then you can make whatever kind of picture you would like to make out of yours. And then the last thing you'll find is a neat little surprise. And you have to be quite gentle with it, but you take this apart and you do this, and then you lock down the bottom very gently, and you have a butterfly fan, okay? And it really works. It really keeps you cool. So I hope you enjoy those, and I will see you the next time. Keep reading. Bye-bye.